Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is going to turn into an uptrend. I don't think it's going to be a correction. I think it's going to make a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably take out these highs, and most likely end up being either a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. Whether it's an A or a 1 definitely doesn't matter at this point because either scenario we're going to be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first sensitive trend is a 1. I think this move down is a 2, and I believe that we're already in a wave 3. Now, wave 3 needs to go beyond the high of wave of 100% of wave 1. So if that's true that this is a wave 3, then this is eventually probably going to end up looking something like that. Like I said, most likely taking out these highs and making a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that means that we probably have a lot of upside potential and a lot of new long opportunities on the shorter time frames. So going down to the daily, you'll see that we did make a very impulsive move down, but it never took out any swing hot lows. It never took out any of these new higher lows, telling us that the trend is over. The trend to me is definitely 100% still up. I still think the most likely thing to happen is that it will keep on trending up, especially if this really is a wave 3 like I believe it is. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, what do we have? We have a move down back here that looks like a trend, wave A. This move up I could definitely make out to be 3 waves, looks like a B, irregular top or irregular wave B. Then we got a downtrend, which didn't quite take out the low of wave A like a wave C normally does, but it pretty much made a double bottom and then made an impulsive move up and taken out structure. To me, that definitely looks like the end of a correction, and I'm sure that there'll be some pullbacks, but I do believe that it will keep on going up, taking out these highs and continuing the uptrend to make those big patterns like I was showing on the higher time frames. So let's take it down even further to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I believe that this right here is the end of a wave A. I think this is the end of a wave B, and I think this downtrend right here is a C. Nice impulsive move up. We're about to take out structure, which will prove to me that this whole move down is over. If that move down is over and it really is a wave C like it looks like it is, that means that this will end up continuing the uptrend, telling me that I am definitely looking for longs, only longs, at the end of any ABC pullbacks that I may see along the way. Maybe we can build a position this whole way up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.